Hello, my name is Raphael. I'm 8 years old. I'm from Semarang, Indonesia. I would like to show you my project about window cleaning. And why did I choose this project? Because my project will help people clean their surroundings. Without further ado, let's get started. So in this game, you need to clean the splats as fast as you can in 30 seconds. How you clean the splats is hover over them. So this is going to be the game. First, it will be 40, and then you can change it. If it's 0, it's like you don't need to move. If it's 100,
She'd take the world off my shoulders.
so the
If it
normal
was
is
ever
probably
hard to
40.
move, she'd turn the rain.
So these are some of the codes I made. When green click, the video transparency will be to 0. If it's 100, it will be all white. When the flag is clicked, it will play the sound pick random 2 to 4, 2 to 4, and then the countdown will be 60. This will repeat until the countdown is less than. So that is my project. And my difficult when I built this project is adding the song. And I need to develop my project to become better. If I have more time, I want to add more splats costumes and more versions like the mouse pointer version. That's all with my presentation. I'm Raphael. Thank you for your attention and good luck everyone.